1965 Zink Z5 Formula V race car. Price, $8,000. Mileage, race car, not applicable. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina. A rare opportunity to own a proven vintage race machine, this 1965 Zink Z5 Formula V is a track-ready classic with an impressive competition history. Most recently campaigned at Virginia International Raceway, VIR, during the 2026 VDCA Wild Hare Weekend, this Zink captured first place in the Wild Hare race, proving its speed, reliability, and race-winning capability. Powered by the legendary Volkswagen-based Formula V engine, the car delivers responsive handling, lightweight performance, and the authentic open-wheel driving experience that has made Formula V one of the most respected grassroots racing classes in the world. The current fuel cell, safety restraints, and racing equipment are all up to date, while the VDCA logbook is current and ready for vintage racing events. 1955 Offyette Ferrari 246 Dino Tribute 1/4 midget race car. Price, $7,000. Location, Oakland, New Jersey.
This is a quick sneak peek of what I've been working on the last few months. This is basically right now a 1958 Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One car. It was a barn find, a 1955 miniature race car with torsion bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, the whole bit, but it had to be completely redone. So I said, hey, why not make a Ferrari out of it? It's the exhaust coming out the back there, lube is for heat. And I had to make it bigger because I couldn't fit it in the dumb thing, so I had to move the pedals, put a much bigger engine in it, new tires, new race slicks in the back, instruments, steering was redone, new seat. It's basically brand new, and welcome to 1958.
A remarkable hand-built tribute to one of Ferrari's most iconic Formula One racers, this 1955 Offyette 1/4 midget race car has been meticulously transformed into a stunning 1958 Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One replica. Originally built on an authentic 1955 Offyette quarter midget chassis, the car has been completely restored and reimagined by a retired engineer with hundreds of hours of handcrafted fabrication invested in every detail. Powered by a new 5.5 horsepower engine, it features a new clutch, upgraded brakes, rack and pinion steering, torsion bar suspension, and new racing tires, delivering dependable performance and an authentic vintage racing feel. Custom purple 1927 Ford Roadster Dragster. Price, $19,900. Location, Clarkston, Washington. Built to deliver serious quarter-mile performance and unforgettable show car style, this custom purple 1927 Ford Roadster Dragster is a professionally constructed race machine that blends vintage hot rod looks with modern drag racing engineering. Featuring a stunning custom purple paint finish, the lightweight 1927 Ford Roadster fiberglass body sits atop a meticulously fabricated tubular chassis with a professionally built NHRA-spec roll cage ready for recertification. Power comes from a high-performance Chevrolet inline six-cylinder engine equipped with a Clifford aluminum intake, Holley 750 carburetor, and custom stainless steel exhaust, producing strong acceleration and impressive reliability. A built Powerglide transmission transfers power to a rugged Ford 9-inch rear axle, while massive Hoosier racing slicks and centerline wheels provide maximum traction and classic drag strip styling. Capable of 10-second quarter-mile passes, this dragster also includes an incredible package of spare performance parts, including an extra engine, 5-cylinder heads. 1936 Pontiac Hot Rod. Price, $47,500. Location, Haverhill, Massachusetts. An extraordinary fusion of pre-war elegance and modern supercar performance, this 1936 Pontiac Hot Rod is a one-of-a-kind custom build designed to thrill both collectors and performance enthusiasts. Beneath its timeless vintage body lies a monstrous Dodge Viper 8.0 LV10 engine, delivering breathtaking horsepower and an unforgettable exhaust note that transforms this classic into a true street machine. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, it offers an engaging, high-performance driving experience rarely found in a pre-war hot rod. Modern upgrades such as air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes provide outstanding comfort, precise handling, and confident stopping power without sacrificing its classic character. Blending iconic 1930s styling with legendary Viper performance, this 1936 Pontiac Hot Rod is an exceptionally rare custom that commands attention at every car show, cruise night, and open highway. With its unique combination of vintage design, exotic V10 power, and modern drivability, this remarkable hot rod is built to impress from every angle. 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, 1963 body/1973 chassis. Price, $15,000. Location, Uxbridge, Massachusetts. Built for fun on the street and ready to steal the spotlight, this 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy blends classic beach buggy styling with upgraded performance and eye-catching custom details. Riding on a 1973 Volkswagen chassis, it is powered by a 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine, upgraded from the original 1,600 cubic centimeters with a big bore kit, and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission for an authentic, spirited driving experience. Finished in a vibrant orange fiberglass body with a black interior, this buggy features two-tone black and orange racing bucket seats, multi-point safety harnesses, a black roll bar, and a classic 3-spoke steering wheel surrounded by easy-to-read analog gauges. 1956 Ford Sprint car, street legal. Price, $16,500. Location, Las Vegas, Nevada. A rare piece of vintage American racing history, this 1956 Ford Sprint car combines authentic 1950s motorsport character with the unique advantage of being street legal. Registered with Montana plates and backed by a clean title, this classic racer offers the opportunity to enjoy a true sprint car on public roads as well as at vintage automotive events. Built with the unmistakable open-wheel styling that defined the golden era of American dirt track racing, it delivers an unforgettable presence wherever it appears. Its lightweight construction, exposed suspension, and race-inspired design make it a standout for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate historic competition machines. Whether displayed at prestigious car shows, driven to local cruise nights, or added to a private collection, this 1956 Ford Sprint car represents a rare opportunity to own a distinctive vintage race car that blends classic style. 1967 Jaguar E-Type Series 1/2+2 Hardtop. Price, $68,000. Location, Scottsdale, Arizona. A timeless British Grand Tourer and one of the most beautiful automobiles ever produced, this 1967 Jaguar E-Type Series 1/2+2 Hardtop blends breathtaking design with legendary performance. Finished with the elegant long hood styling that made the E-Type world famous, the 2+2 model offers added practicality with extra cabin space while retaining the sleek, unmistakable silhouette of the original Series 1. Powered by Jaguar's iconic 4.2-liter inline six-cylinder engine paired with a smooth manual transmission, this classic delivers refined performance, a thrilling exhaust note, and exceptional driving dynamics. Featuring luxurious craftsmanship, timeless chrome accents, and an unmistakable vintage British character, making this 1967 Jaguar E-Type Series 1/2+2 Hardtop an outstanding investment for collectors and enthusiasts seeking elegance, heritage, and one of the greatest sports cars ever built. 1987 Volkswagen Rail Buggy. Price, $4,500. Location, Segoinsville, Tennessee. Built for adventure and packed with classic Volkswagen performance, this 1987 Volkswagen Rail Buggy is a lightweight custom machine designed to deliver excitement both on and off the road. Constructed on an early Volkswagen chassis and registered with a North Carolina title as a Rail Dune buggy, it combines vintage VW reliability with the rugged character of a purpose-built off-road buggy. Under the rear deck is a high-performance Volkswagen engine paired with an upgraded transmission, providing quick acceleration, responsive handling, and plenty of power for trails, sand, or weekend cruising. 1977 Lola T440 Formula Ford race car. Price, $8,500. Location, Marietta, Georgia, USA. A legendary piece of open-wheel racing history, this 1977 Lola T440 Formula Ford represents the golden era of Formula Ford competition and British race car engineering. Built by Lola, one of the most respected names in motorsport, the T440 was designed as a lightweight, aerodynamic single-seat racer with exceptional handling and balance. Power comes from a rebuilt Ford Kent 1.6-liter inline-4 engine paired with a Hewland Mk9 4-speed manual transaxle, delivering the pure, engaging driving experience that made Formula Ford famous. Finished in striking red fiberglass bodywork, this race car features a polished nose guard, acrylic windscreen, adjustable coilover suspension, rack and pinion steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and classic 13-inch alloy wheels. The cockpit is equipped with a Mountain steering wheel, odometer gauges, brake bias adjustment, G-force harness, and a fire suppression system for track safety. Recently refurbished and showing only limited use since restoration, this 1977 Lola T440 Formula Ford offers an exciting opportunity for vintage racing enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone looking for an authentic open-wheel experience. With its historic Lola chassis, Ford Kent power, and true competition pedigree, this Formula Ford is a rare and affordable entry into the world of vintage motorsport.